third class of quadratic equation. So how that question number 27, if you work check will you, problem 27, I hope you've done that, check with me. Given that alpha is a root, x square equal 2x minus 3, alpha is a root of this equation, then show that first part alpha cube equal alpha minus 6. Another part, show that alpha square minus 2 alpha cube equal 9. The remaining part of the last question. I hope you completed, check this. So for this quadratic equation, x is one root is alpha, then show this answer, also this. Okay. So as I mentioned, if you know the one root or one solution, we can apply that answer to the equation. Therefore, you can put x for alpha, that is satisfies LHS equal to RH, the both sides are equal. Therefore, I can say here x for alpha, alpha square equal 2 alpha minus 3, right? If x is one answer is alpha, we can write x for alpha, right? Therefore, this is true. Then we go to this answer. They have to show this alpha cube equal to alpha minus 6. So what is alpha cube? If you know alpha square multiplied by another alpha, that is alpha cube. Therefore, multiply by alpha both side, multiply by alpha both side. In an equation, if you do that, both side you must work that case. Multiply both side by alpha, right? Therefore, alpha cube multiply by alpha 2 alpha square minus 3 alpha, right? 2 alpha square minus 3 alpha, right? So alpha cube equal. So someone's mic is on, right? You can stop the pause it or mute it your microphone. Okay, right. Therefore, here are 2 into what is alpha square? This is the answer. Alpha square is 2 alpha minus 3 and minus 3 alpha. No? There is the answer. Check value. Alpha cube equal, therefore, alpha cube equal 4 alpha minus 3 alpha 1 alpha minus 6. Okay, this is the answer. I hope you complete those this last lesson for the previous and the type question similar fashion. That's the answer. Okay, come to the next question. What is that? Alpha square minus 2 alpha cube equal to 9. Alpha square minus 2 alpha cube equal to 9. So what they always I'm showing you easy methods, easy route to get the answer, catch the answer. You see, you know the alpha square, ne? You know the alpha square, also you know the alpha cube. Using the previous parts, you know the alpha square, also you know the alpha cube. Therefore, I try to substitute those parts here and show the answer is 9. Okay. So see that second answer, alpha square minus 2 alpha cube equal to what? So alpha square is 2 alpha minus 3, okay, minus 2 into what is alpha cube, alpha minus 6. Now simplify and see what happened here. 2 alpha minus 2 alpha cancel, minus 3 plus 12. Therefore the answer is 9, right? This is the method that question answer. They said x square minus 2x minus 3, that quadratic equation solutions are only alpha, not the other one, maybe beta, whatever. Then show these answers. Okay, now we go to today's lesson. Today, third chapter, third day of this quadratic equation. Not like O levels, you have to work many days, many problems, many solutions, many tubes I have. We'll discuss that. Okay, write this question. Today I'll show some different types of the quadratic equation problems. Write this question. Write this question. Alpha and beta are the roots of write this x square plus ax plus b equal to 0. X square plus ax plus b equal to 0. Alpha and beta are the roots of x square plus ax plus b equal to 0. Right below, find the quadratic equations. Find the quadratic equations. Find the quadratic equations. Find the quadratic equations. Those roots are write one by one below. First part 1 over alpha and 1 over beta. Second one alpha square and beta square. Third one alpha cube and beta cube. Fourth one alpha square plus alpha, comma beta square plus beta. And the fourth one 1 over alpha plus 1, comma 1 over beta plus 1. This is another part on every AL paper. They will tell find you write the new equation. Those roots are like this. Before that they will provide you particular one equation. Their roots are alpha and beta. Then we have to write new equations. Their roots 1 over alpha, 1 over beta. Then what is the equation? There is a quadratic equation. Their roots are alpha square and beta square. Then what is that equation? There is a quadratic equation whose roots are alpha cube and beta cube. Then what is that equation? Okay, so important problem. So if you complete these 4 question parts, then you know how to work such a case. So that this equation has roots alpha and beta, right? Then always we need what is alpha plus beta. Generally minus b over a. Here a is 1, b is a, c is b. A is 1, B is A, B is C, coefficients. So generally alpha plus beta minus B over A, minus A is 1. Next, what is alpha into beta? Alpha into beta, C over A. Okay, that is the important part for this. Complete this problem. Every problem, I proved that in the early days. Sum of the roots and the product of the roots, right? Okay. Now see, for this equation roots are alpha and beta. Alpha and beta roots, what is the equation? X square plus ax plus b. Then what is the equation? 1 over alpha, 1 over beta becomes roots. See the method. So if you see your note, there's a step I said, one of my point. If the roots are known, how to write the equation? What the method? X square minus sum of the root into x plus product of the root equal to 0. You have to follow that if you want to use, work such a problem, right? Therefore, see method first time if you're learning. See the idea, I show the first question. What is the new equation? The roots are 1 over alpha and 1 over beta. Therefore, you need their summation and their product. So we find sum of the roots. sum of the roots. Sum of the roots. What the answer? One root is 1 over alpha, other root is 1 over beta. Okay. Now simplify this. 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. Simplify using LCM. Alpha plus beta over alpha beta. So what is that? Alpha plus beta is minus A over B. So this is the sum of the root, right? Next, see product of the root. Product of the root. What do you mean product? Kina guna karana, multiplication. So one root is 1 over alpha. The other root is 1 over beta. That is what? 1 over alpha into beta. 1 over alpha into beta, right? Therefore, 1 over b. That's all. Alpha, beta, b. So once you know the summation and the product, then you can list the equation. Therefore, right below, therefore, equation. The quadratic equation is what? We write in terms of x, x square minus sum of the root into x plus product of the root 1 over b equal to 0. X square minus sum of the roots plus product of the root equal to 0. Now give in a general pattern. Multiply by b, multiplied by b, all the parts. Bx square minus minus plus ax plus 1 equal to 0. This is your first equation. If this is given as roots alpha and beta, that is 1 over alpha and 1 over beta, right? Okay. See, I show you another method also. You know, within I can complete that. Or there's no different chapter, different heading for that. Sometimes that is easy, or sometimes that is difficult. My second method, right? The one same first question. So right below method 2, I can tell a name for that. Method 2, by transformation. Write that, by transformation. Method 2, by transformation. See, what do you mean the transformation? See here, you need the good explanation only, then you can carry on that idea if that is clear or that is easy for it. Can't use for every problem, only few questions you can use it, right? Okay, see that this equation roots are alpha and beta. This equation roots are alpha and beta. Now what is the question now? First part, 1 over alpha, 1 over beta. So here what the answers? X is alpha and x is beta, no? Two answers. X is alpha and x is beta. Now what the first part they ask? 1 over. For example, the answers are 5, 7. Answers are 5, 7. Here what? 1 over 5, 1 over 7. Find the equation. That's the meaning. So therefore, here what are the roots? Here the roots are reciprocal of that. Reciprocal of that. Okay, reciprocal of that. Therefore, see that method. That is tried. You can copyright method. See, balamu hariyata the method is it. If the same answer comes, then it's okay, right? See method 2. Reciprocal of the previous answer, right? Therefore, see again. Let and the method, the other method, right? I introduce the term y. We say y letter, y. Okay. Let y equal. Previous answers are x, no? Now what the answer? Not x, 1 over x. I say y equal 1 over x. Is it okay? Y equal 1 over x. Y equal 1 over x. The new equation we need for y, we put 1 over x. Or otherwise, what is x equal? 1 over y. That is new x equal 1 over y. Therefore the equation is that is straightly copywriting. What is the given original equation? For that, put x for what? Y. Put x for 1 over y. Put x for 1 over y. That's all. See that 1 over y all things square plus a into x for 1 over y plus b equal to 0. Multiple by the LCM. Y square is the LCM. Ne? Multiply by y square. 1 plus ay plus by square. Therefore, finally, if you want to write the equation in x, write the equation in x. Now you forgot everything. Write y for x. Write y for x. Write y for x. See, that's the answer. See, same answer available. Same answer available. So some questions such like this reciprocal problem, that is easy, right? So earlier problems roots, the given original problem roots are alpha and beta. Here the roots are 1 over alpha and 1 over beta. Therefore, what the solution is reciprocal. 1 over reciprocal. That's why I said take a new letter called y. Reciprocal of the previous 1 over x. We take 1 over x is y. Or any a, b, whatever, no problem. So therefore x is what? 1 over y. Put in the form original equation x for 1 over y. Then but finally better you give the answer in x. Now we put y for x. Y for x. The equation is the case, right? Okay, come to second problem. There are various parts I have to improve your skills of quadratic equation. If the roots are alpha and beta, you find new equation. Its roots are alpha square and beta square. Its roots are alpha square and beta square. So wherever such a problem they ask, write the equation, give the new roots. By giving the new roots, you need the sum of the roots and the product of the roots, right? Sum of the roots and the product of the roots. Therefore, follow like earlier I mentioned, sum of the roots. Find the sum of the roots. What is sum of the root? One root is what? Alpha square. Other root is what? Beta square. So we work many problems like that. That's I completed earlier. There's a particular order. If you follow regular that order only, you can answer, you can cover complete exam style question. We work already how to find this answer. So you write as a perfect square, ne? Alpha plus beta completely square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay. Then write the values alpha plus beta minus a. Square is a square. 2 times alpha beta is b. You know the summation of the roots. Now write product of the roots. Product. Next write product of the roots. What the product means? Multiplication. One root is alpha square into other root is beta square. Or this can be shown as alpha beta completely square. Then what is that? Alpha beta is b, its square. B square, right? You know the summation, you know the product. Therefore, give the equation. Therefore, equation, the particular required quadratic equation is what? Always, if you know the summation, if you know the product, we can give how? X square minus sum of the root into x plus product of the root, right? Therefore, x square minus summation a square minus 2b into x plus the product b square equal to 0. Okay, that is the equation. So here also we can use that transformation, but become a square root form. It will be difficult. I will show later some different question completely by using transformation idea, right? Now I gave what you mean the transformation. Here alpha comma beta, no? Here it's squares. So you take like earlier y equal 1 over x. Here how the y answer? Square root of x. Y answer is square root of x. Other way we can try that. Y equals square root of x. Here we say y equal square of the square root. Here alpha beta mean here square, no? So y equal x square. Otherwise x equals square root y. X equals square root y. Then if you put x for square root y, but later you have to remove the root. That is a difficult task, right? Therefore we avoid at the moment. Later I will show some different cases. I have a lot of questions, right? Okay, see problem 3. Problem 3, find yourself the similar idea. The roots are given, alpha and beta. Equation is this. Then find the roots of alpha cube and beta cube. Sum of the roots alpha cube plus beta cube. All we complete our first day. Our first day lesson we complete all successfully. How to find the value of this? We know only pair of values, summation and the product. So apply that for get this answer. You can factorize alpha plus beta. One factor. The other one is if it's alpha, write alpha square, plus mean minus, multiple the both, and at last plus beta square. Okay, therefore what is that hereafter? Still not enough to substitute these values. Alpha plus beta, and come here, take the first and the last. Say alpha plus beta complete square, and you should subtract the 2 alpha beta, but one is subtracted, therefore totally 3, minus 3 alpha beta. Okay, now you know what the answer for this summation and this this alpha plus beta minus a. But it is a square minus 3b, right? You know the summation of the roots. Next you find product of the roots. One root is alpha cube into other root is beta cube, or otherwise, what is that? Alpha beta completely power 3. So what is that? Alpha beta is b, therefore b cube, right? This is the method summation and the product. Once you know these two, you can write the equation. Therefore, the equation x square minus sum of the roots, that is here, there's a minus, I say plus, then a into a square minus 3b into x plus their product b cube equal to 0. Okay, this is the answer. If this answer is alpha and beta, this answer is alpha cube and beta cube. Same, next one. You also transformation a bit of difficult. They are sometimes use the transformation method or otherwise, or any other method. This is the traditional method, but some question is most easier method. This is. See next one. find the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha square plus alpha, comma beta square plus beta. So you find the summation and the product separately and go to the answer. Sum of the roots and the product of the roots. So what is that? Sum of the root, one root is alpha square plus alpha, other root is plus beta square plus beta. Now simplify the answer in terms of A and B, summation value in terms of A and B. So therefore what is alpha square plus beta square, alpha square plus beta square, and what is the next one? Alpha plus beta, no? You can apply your previous answers. You know there in the second answer you found this, no, alpha square plus beta square. Write that answer straightly because the full question part of the problems, therefore you can apply straightly. Alpha square plus beta square, you got I think a square minus 2b, no? Okay, a square minus 2b, this one, right? A square minus 2b, what is alpha plus beta minus a, okay? A square minus 2b minus a, right? Sum of the roots. Now come to the product of the root. What is one root? Alpha square plus alpha into beta square plus beta. Now in this case you will multiply the bracket, finally take the answer in terms of A and B. Try to implement the values in terms of A and B. So multiply the bracket, alpha square beta square plus alpha square beta plus alpha beta square plus alpha beta, right? Okay, now the main part to apply the values of the alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. So here what, take the alpha beta out, take the alpha beta out. What is that? Balance part, vectors, alpha plus beta and plus alpha beta, okay? Now we can apply the value. Alpha beta is b, ne? Therefore b square, alpha beta is b, alpha plus beta minus a. So plus into minus minus, okay? A, b, alpha beta, b, no? Therefore you know the summation, you know the product. Therefore you can write the quadratic equation required here. Therefore the equation is what? X square minus sum of the root into x plus product of the root equal to 0. Okay, this is the interesting question. This is one of the problem, one of the A-level part, right? They will give the roots, they ask the write the equation of the new equation to be constructed, to be formed. Okay, see last one, try the same question. Find a new equation whose roots are 1 over alpha plus 1 and 1 over beta plus 1. So wherever such case you need the sum of the roots and the product of the roots, then only need solution. So fifth part, summation 1 over alpha plus 1 plus 1 over beta plus 1. That is sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta, sum of the roots. Therefore, simplify that. Alpha plus 1 LCM beta plus 1. Then this multiple here, then alpha plus 1 plus beta. I said alpha first. I shown the alpha first. So what is that? If you simplify the numerator, alpha plus beta, and what the 1 1 1 2 ne? 1 1 2, right? Below multiple the brackets, alpha beta plus alpha plus beta 1 times 1 1. Now you can apply the values, sum of the root. Alpha plus beta is minus a plus 2 over alpha beta is b, alpha plus beta minus a plus 1. That is the sum of the root. Next, find the product of the roots. What is product of the roots? One root is 1 over alpha plus 1 into the other root is 1 over beta plus 1. Okay, therefore 1 times 1 1. Here you know that alpha plus 1 beta plus 1 is this. Don't find once again, you know the earlier part. B minus a plus 1, right? B minus a plus 1. Therefore, you know the summation, you know the product, then give the equation. But the new equation, therefore, the equation is, what is that? X square minus sum of the root minus a plus 2 over b minus a plus 1 into x plus product of the root 1 over b minus a plus 1 equal to 0. X square minus sum of the root into x plus product of the root. Now better you multiply the LCM, multiply by the LCM and give that b minus a plus 1 into x square minus, can I say 2 minus a? Better positive first, 2 minus a, right? And plus 1, eh? This is the type. So I hope understood clearly this method. Very useful, one of the problem in A-level papers. If the roots are given, how to write the particular quadratic equations. Similar questions then my tutor will see. See question number 5. In my tutor, problem number 5. Problem number 5. The roots of the equation 2x square plus 6x minus 5 equal to 0. Here totally the coefficients are number values are alpha and beta. That equation roots are alpha and beta. Then find the equation. Those roots are alpha plus 1 comma beta plus 1. Second part 1 over alpha comma 1 over beta. Third part alpha square and beta square, right? A similar fashion. So here I can show the transformation method for the first and second. So very first they say the given equation 2x square plus 6x minus 5 roots are alpha and beta. Therefore we write what is alpha plus beta minus b over a that is minus 3. What is alpha into beta? That is C over A. Okay, that is every problem. Without this, no advanced problems, any exams. That is important. Now we go to the answer. So here first problem, I use the transformation method, right? Already I explained the previous one question, transformation. So think about the good transformation here. For the given equation, answers are alpha comma beta. But the first part, alpha plus 1, beta plus 1. For example, first answers are 7 comma 8. First equation roots are 7 comma 8. Now I want to find what the new equation. One more to this. One more to this. 8 comma 9. Or if I say answers are, for example, minus 5 comma 2. Minus 5 comma 2, 2 answers. But the new equation to be? One more. Minus 4. One more. 3. Like this. Therefore, if the roots are x is alpha and x is beta, here one more. So x plus 1. ඊට වඩා එකක් වැඩි. That සමීකරණ ලියන්න ඕනේ අපි. The equation, right? One more. Therefore, but the best transformation here, first part, let y equal x plus 1. Okay, y equal x plus 1. The previous answers are alpha and beta. Here one more. So I introduce y, letter y, one more to the alpha. So alpha plus 1, beta plus 1. Alpha means x, no, solutions are for x. X is 10, x is 9, x is 5, x is half. Solutions are for x. Therefore x, one more. Therefore here x equal y minus 1. So put the x, y minus 1. That's the method. Equation therefore 2 into write x4 y minus 1 square plus 6 into x4 y minus 1 minus 5 equal to 0. Now we can give a particular format to remove the brackets, y square minus 2y plus 1. Here 6 into y minus 1 minus 5 equal to 0. Otherwise 2y square minus 4 plus 6 plus 2y. Ne? For that 1 times 2. Here minus 11 minus 9. Check, will you? That's the equation. Or turn into x. 2y square minus 4 plus 6 minus plus 2. Ne? Then 1, 2, here minus 11 plus 2. Therefore, the equation better tell in x. 2x square plus 2x minus 9, right? Later you change to x for the equation to be in x. If you doubt, you can use the other method also. Sum of the root, alpha plus 1, beta plus 1 adding, get the answer. Product of the root, get the answer. Then you have the same fashion. Sum of the roots and the product of the root. For other part also, you can use the transformation. It's the equation, right? So the second also you can use the transformation method. 1 over alpha, 1 over beta. Find the answer for 1 over alpha and 1 over beta if the roots are alpha and beta. So as I mentioned earlier, one transformation method. So here the answers are alpha and beta. Here 1 over reciprocal. Here the answer is 1 over, that is reciprocal of that, right? Reciprocal. So second part you can say let, what is that? Y equal 1 over x. Second part, y equal 1 over x. Y equal 1 over x. Okay. Then write the equation. Therefore, the equation is 2. What is x? What is x? If y is 1 over x, what is x? 1 over y. X is 1 over y, right? X for 1 over y, all things square, plus 6 into x for 1 over y, minus 5 is 0, right? So 2 over y square plus 6 over y minus 5 is 0. Now multiply y square. Multiply y square. 2 plus 6y minus 5y square. Is it okay? Is the 0, right? Multiply y square LCM. But when you give the equation, give in x. Because the given equations in terms of x, therefore to be in terms of x. Therefore the answer minus 5x square plus 6x plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation whose roots are 1 over alpha and 1 over beta, right? Whose roots are 1 over alpha and 1 over beta. So here both of the problem use the transformation. See the third one, that is, I think the other method is easy. Try on, already work. Similar question, earlier questions. Try that one. Alpha square comma beta square. What is the equation? So wherever equation you need the summation and the product. If you know the summation and the product only, you can write the proper equation. So find separately summation for the part C problem, sum. Or third part, what is summation alpha square plus beta square. Now see, I said every problem we have this part, completing square pattern. Now you write this alpha plus beta completely square, subtract what? 2 alpha beta, subtract 2 alpha beta. Therefore write the answer alpha plus beta minus a. So a square minus here alpha plus beta 9. What is 2 alpha beta? 2 alpha beta minus 5. So plus 5, 14. Eh? Okay, 14. 14 is the answer, summation. Next, write the product. Product of the roots. Product of the roots. Product. So what the product? One root is alpha square. Other root is beta square, or otherwise alpha beta completely square. So you know alpha into beta minus 5 over 2 square root 25 over 4, no? 25 over 4, right? Therefore once you know the summation, once you know the product, write the equation. Therefore the equation is what? X square minus sum of the root into x plus product of the root equal to 0. You can multiply by 4 also, right? You can multiply by 4, otherwise leave it. Next, see question number 6 in my tude, problem number 6. That also you can correct similar fashion. So improve problem by problem, improve the way how to find such a roots are given providing the equation. Question number 6. The roots of the equation x square plus 3x plus 1 is 0 are alpha and beta. They said the given quadratic equation roots are alpha and beta. Then you know alpha plus beta is minus b over a, alpha beta c over a, right? Then they ask find new equations whose roots are 2 alpha comma 2 beta, b part, alpha over beta comma beta over alpha, part C, 2 alpha minus beta comma 2 beta minus alpha. So you can use whatever method, transformation or any other form. You decide that which is easy, which is can clearly identify or can be understand the way. First part you can use the transformation. The given equation is roots are alpha and beta. Roots are alpha and beta. But now first part is what? Double. 2 alpha, 2 beta. If the answers are 3, 7, here what? 6, 14. If the answers are 1, half, here the answer 2, 1. Double venom. Therefore, if you understand transformation, what is new y equal double x, 2x, 2x. I introduce a term is y, which is double the previous answer 2 times. Okay. Therefore, x equal y by 2. So, in the given equation, put x for y by 2. Therefore, the equation is x4 y by 2 square plus 3 times x4 y by 2 plus 1 equal to 0. Now multiply by the LCM is 4. Multiply by 4 y square multiply by 4, then 6 the 6y multiply by 4 equal to 0. So this equation is in terms of x. Therefore now copy write x is y. Straightly write y for x. Therefore the answer is this. Okay. If this answers alpha and beta, this is double of that. Root become double. See next one. That is alpha over beta, but the other one is what? Beta over alpha. So in this case I show you the summation and the product method and go to the answer. That is problem B. Sum. What is sum of the root? What is sum of the root? One root is alpha over beta plus the other root is what? Beta over alpha. Okay, this is you can use any problem this method, but transformation particular problem one is easier. So here summation, wherever they ask a QE quadratic equation, you write the summation and the product. Now simplify to apply the alpha plus beta, alpha into beta answer. Alpha beta LCM, then alpha square plus beta square. Then write this alpha plus beta, all things square, minus 2 times alpha beta over alpha beta. Then what is that? Alpha plus beta, you know, minus 3, ne? Therefore 9, 2 times 1 below alpha beta is 1. The answer is 7, right? Answer is 7. Sum of the root answer is 7. What is product? What is product answer? Product is what? One solution alpha over beta. Other solution beta reciprocal. Reciprocal. No? But the answer 1. Answer is 1. So summation 7. Product is 1. Therefore give the equation. Therefore the required equation is what? X square minus summation 7x plus the product equal to 0. That's the method. Right, part C. 2 alpha minus beta, one answer. 2 beta minus alpha, other answer. So find the summation and the product method. Find the sum of the roots and the product of the roots. Sum of the root. One root is 2 alpha minus beta and the other root is 2 beta minus alpha, right? Summation. And now we can get the value. Take completely 1 alpha, 1 beta, no? Alpha plus beta, that is minus 3. Alpha plus beta, that is minus 3. Now find the product. Find the product of the roots. Product of the roots. One root is 2 alpha minus beta. The other root is 2 beta minus alpha. So multiply and see what the answer expression form. Multiple this to 4 alpha beta minus 2 alpha square minus 2 beta square plus alpha into beta. Okay, therefore the answer, what is that? 4 alpha beta minus 2 alpha square minus 2 beta square. Okay, so totally what is 5 alpha beta, right? 5 alpha beta minus here, take the minus 2 out. Then you can write the famous expression alpha plus beta all things square minus 2 alpha beta. 4 alpha beta plus alpha beta, 5 alpha beta. Here take the minus 2 out. Alpha plus beta all things square, subtract that 1. Now apply the answer. What is alpha beta? Is 1. Alpha beta is 1. 5, therefore 5 minus 2 into alpha plus beta square 9 minus 2 alpha beta is 2. Okay, now check the answer. 5 here, what is that? 9 minus 2 7 here, minus 14. Okay, that is 9, is it? Okay, check there. 9 minus 2 is 7. Here 14, then 9. Positive 9, negative 9, right? Therefore, you know the summation, you know the product. Therefore, give the answer of the particular new equation. X square minus sum of the root minus 9 then plus the product. summation minus 3 then plus 3, product 0. Okay, is it okay? X square plus 3x minus 9 equal to 0 is the sum and the product of these two. So I hope you know these ideas, right? Next, see problem number 7. My tude question number 7. Question number 7. Write down the sum and product of the roots of the equation x square plus 2ax minus c square equal to 0. Write the sum and the product of that equation. So write that if you take the roots alpha and beta, but the summation alpha plus beta, that is minus b over a, product is what? Alpha into beta, c over a, right? Question number 7. Write down the sum and the product of the equation that. Then next they ask, hence obtain, hence a magin araken yanta one, hence obtain the QE whose roots are reciprocal of the previous. Reciprocal. If you say alpha comma beta is the solution for this equation, then what they ask? 1 over alpha. Find the 1 over alpha and 1 over beta and write the new equation. They ask hence. Therefore here you can't use the transformation method. Hence this idea. So anyhow you need the summation. What is sum of the roots now? 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. Sum of the roots. For that alpha plus beta over alpha beta. Or otherwise alpha plus beta minus 2a. Alpha beta is minus c square, that is 2a minus cancel, sum of the root, next what is product of the root, one root is 1 over alpha, other one is 1 over beta, so what is the answer? 1 over alpha beta, or otherwise what is that? 1 over c minus 1 over c square. So now you are familiar with this type question, right? Therefore give the answer. Therefore what is the equation required? X square minus sum of the root, therefore positive here, sum of the root minus 2a over c square plus, that is negative, no? Minus 1 over c square equal to 0. So multiple by the c square, you have the answer c square minus 2ax minus 1, 0. So this answers alpha and beta. These answers are 1 over alpha and 1 over beta. You can use the transformation also, but here the problem is hence using this answer. That's why I follow that. Next, see question number 14. My tude problem number 14. Given that alpha and beta are the roots of 3x square plus x plus 2 equal to 0. So there are three parts. Question number 14. Given that alpha and beta are the equation of what? 3x square plus 1x plus 2 equal to 0. 3x square plus 1x plus 2 equal to 0. Then find the answer, evaluate first part. 1 over alpha square plus 1 over beta square. Find that answer. Second part, find an equation whose roots are 1 over alpha square and 1 over beta square. Find the roots, new equation. Their roots are 1 over alpha square and 1 over beta square. At last, C part, show that. Let's rework many times. Okay. There are three parts available. It's one of the type of school exam paper. So alpha and beta, the roots. Therefore we write our familiar things. Alpha plus beta minus b over a, alpha into beta, c over a, alpha plus beta, alpha into beta, right? Therefore your first part question, 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta answer. So what is that? 1 over alpha square plus 1 over beta square. Simplify if you use the LCM, a familiar work. Alpha square plus beta square. So you can write this sum of the root pattern. Alpha plus beta all things square. Then subtract the 2 alpha beta over alpha beta complete square, right? Summation and complete, make it. And now write the answers, ne? What is alpha plus beta? Minus 1/3. So square root 1 over 9. What is 2 alpha beta? 2 times means 4 over 3. Over alpha beta square 4 over 9. Solve fraction. But you can simplify this. Multiply by 4, multiply by 9. LCM is 9, up and down, numerator, denominator. LCM is 9, multiply by 9. So here 1, multiply by 9 means 12. Below 4, right? Therefore the answer minus 11 over 4, see? Minus 11 over 4, right? Minus 11 over 4, okay. Multiply by 9, that's the easy method. Multiply up and down by the LCM. Here now 1, multiply by 9 means 9 cut 3, 9, 3 times 12. So that. Now you need the product, the first part is over. First part is over. Now they ask, write the new equation whose roots are 1 over alpha square and 1 over beta square, right? If the roots here alpha and beta, if alpha and beta are the roots for these, what are the roots? What are the equation whose roots are this? So you know you need the summation and the product. But you know the summation. You know the summation, therefore find the product. Before go to the B part, answer product. What is product of the roots? 1 over alpha square into 1 over beta square. 1 over alpha beta square. What is alpha beta here? 4 over 9. Reciprocal 9 over 4. Therefore, you know the summation, you know the product, give the equation. Therefore, x square minus summation plus 11 over 4 into x plus 9 over 4 equal to 0. Or you can multiply by 4 also. See last part. Last part, show this answer. 27 alpha power 4 equal 11 alpha plus 10. So it is my third type that question. Already worked previous couple of question. That is another one. So what is that idea? If the roots are known, for a particular equation, the root satisfies the equation, right? Therefore, 3x square plus x plus 2 is 0. The answers are alpha and beta. Therefore, you can put x for alpha, x for beta. But in the answer, no beta, alpha only. Therefore, 3 alpha square plus alpha plus 2 is 0. Okay, for you to complete, start from the beginning there. That's the part C answer. If the answer is alpha and beta, especially here alpha, then you can substitute x for alpha, right? Then think the method and go to the answer. See what happened, the answer. And you decide a method. You have to work. Always I'm telling that, not like copywriting or whatever. You have to take your own knowledge, come long steps, no matter. First to decide the way, then you can answer any problem like that hereafter. The question is 27 alpha power 4. But here 3 alpha square available. See, therefore, can I write the 3 alpha square is minus other side, take other parts, other side, like this, okay, like this. Now what? Square both side. If you square both side, 3 square 9, better than that, square become power 4. Square become power 4, no? So square both side. Both sides square, squaring both sides, minus square is positive, square both sides. So what is that? 3 square 9, alpha power 4, complete square, a plus b whole thing square, alpha square, plus 4 alpha plus 4, okay? See the answer, no alpha square in the answer. Independent of alpha square in the answer, right? Therefore, try to eliminate the alpha square. You know, here alpha square is what come. You can put this. You can put this also. Come here. Or come here. These all are same. What is alpha square? What is alpha square? What is alpha square is minus alpha plus 2. Subject alpha square right here. What is alpha square? Minus alpha plus 2 over 3, okay? Minus alpha plus 2 over 3, ne? Plus 4 alpha plus 4. Now check this, the answer. Multiply by 3. Multiple by 3 every parts, get the answer. Multiply by 3, 27 alpha power 4 minus alpha plus 2 multiply by 3, 12 alpha plus 12. Now check that. 12 alpha yes, 11 alpha yes, answer available. Okay, so very useful standard problems. Keep in touch, work many problem, keep with you 100 problem within every lessons. Then no matter your future final paper exam question become simple. Okay, next see my question number 17. My tude problem number 17. There are many questions, okay, 30, 44 problems. Also I will send other 2 tudes I have. Next lesson I start the applied maths, right? Applied, there is I scheduled one every Thursdays, right? Every Thursdays 8 to 10 till school reopen. I'm also free that hours. Thursday 8 hours to 10 morning, 8 a.m. to 10. That is I start the applied new chapter. Already mentioned some chapters in list. I'll check and see. Okay, see question number 17, problem 17. So those anybody there asked to come join newly, otherwise if they come late, therefore I won't take, mostly I won't take in the at the middle if they come regular basis, because I can guarantee their results or their this particular chapter successfully. If anybody join with the middle or at last, that is difficult. It's not an institute class through the online sessions, therefore you have to come regular attendance and get the knowledge. Question 17, the equation x square minus 2x plus a equal to 0, alpha and beta, right? Here the roots are alpha and beta. Then what is alpha plus beta? Minus b over a, alpha and beta, c over a. Okay, and they say further x square plus bx plus 9 equals 0. This quadratic equation roots are alpha square and beta square. The former one is roots are alpha and beta. Next equation roots are alpha square and the beta square. Okay, then they ask, what the question, problem 17, calculate the possible values of b. Calculate the possible values of b, right? Find the possible values of b. Then you can write here alpha square plus beta square, sum of the root minus b over a, alpha square into beta square, c over a. So there are 4 equations here. Here there are totally 4 equations. Actually this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 unknowns. See, 2 unknowns. A and B are unknowns, ne? So but they ask the B value. I think without the A you can't go to the B, I think. without the A value anymore. Find the B value. Question is find the B. Alright, find the B answer. What is B answer? Alpha square plus beta square. Okay, see that. See here. Alpha square beta square is 9. Therefore, what is alpha beta? What is alpha beta value? Square root. Don't say 3. It is advanced level mathematics, not only positive. Consider next one also, plus or minus 3. Alpha beta plus or minus 3. Therefore, if you won't get the A answer, what is A? What is A answer? Plus 3 or minus 3. A answer plus 3 or minus 3. Okay. Problem is B. Come here. Again come to this. Famous simplification. Alpha plus beta all things square minus 2 alpha beta equal to minus B. Okay. What is alpha plus beta? 2. Its square minus 2 times. What is alpha beta? Plus or minus 3. Very important. Plus or minus 3 equal to minus B. Equal to minus B. So here 4. Bracket multiple. Minus into plus minus. Minus into minus plus. Study these patterns, study the way of answering. Okay, this is the answer. Take the plus symbol, give one B value. Take the minus symbol, give the other B value. So if you take the plus symbol, minus B equal 4 plus 6. Therefore, B is minus 10. B is minus 10. Okay, take the minus answer. Take the minus answer. Minus B equal 4 minus 6. So minus B equal minus 2. That's the answer they asked. Find the value of B never. Find the what? Values of B. Find the values of B. There are 2 values available here, right? Next question 32. My problem 32. X square plus 2bx plus c, the roots are alpha and beta. One data, and px square plus 2qx plus r equals 0. The roots are alpha plus delta, comma beta plus delta. Problem 32. Alpha and beta are the roots of ax square plus 2bx plus c equal to 0. Another equation, question 32, px square plus 2qx plus r, its roots are alpha plus delta. You know this is called delta, right? Delta. That's called delta, right? One root is alpha plus delta, other root is beta plus delta. Then show that answer b square minus ac over a square equal q square minus pr over p square. Okay, an important question. The roots are given for the pair of equation. Then write that, show this answer, right? So where the roots are provided, very first you should write summation is what and the product is what. Therefore you write that alpha plus beta minus b over a and alpha into beta c over a, right? That's for the former equation, alpha plus beta into alpha into beta. Same, try to other one. Try to find other summation. Here two roots are, one is alpha plus delta, other one beta plus delta. Therefore summation alpha plus delta plus beta plus delta. The answer minus b over a, minus b over a. Okay, so but you can say that alpha plus beta, no? Alpha plus beta separately plus 2 delta, no? Okay, 2 delta, right? Equal to minus 2q over p. Okay, minus 2p over that case. Next one, alpha plus delta into beta plus delta, alpha into beta. What is alpha into beta? C over A, R over P. R over P, right? R over P. There are so many equations. If I write it number 1, I number in there 1, number 2, here this is number 3, summation and the product, number 4, right? Alpha plus beta minus b over a. Write that one for the first equation. Also second equation, get it the pair of summation and the product. Now there's a relation in terms of A, B, C, P, Q and R. So we try to get it, see some how to get that answer. See, I'll rearrange the third equation once again. See the third equation I'm writing. Alpha plus, or I can connect the 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, yeah, 1 and 3. Connect the 1 and 3, connect the 1 and 3, connect the 1 and 3. Alpha plus beta is minus 2b over a. See the answer, there's no alpha, there's no beta, there's no delta. Therefore you should remove those things. And especially you have to find the delta. Because both of the equation, alpha, beta, common letter, common term, common some expression. Delta only different. Okay, now connect the 1, 3. you can apply alpha plus beta for minus 2b over a, no? Okay, plus 2 delta equal minus 2q over p. Very useful problem. Every problems are mine. Import my tude questions. So is it understood, right? Any problem, tell me, message me. Alpha plus beta minus 2b over a, right? Alpha plus beta minus 2b over a plus 2 delta is that. Therefore, see 2 cancel. What is delta equal? Take other side. B over a minus q over p. So I found our delta answer. I connect the 1 and 3, right? 1 and 3. Next, come to the fourth answer, fourth equation. Come to the fourth equation. Connect the 2 and 4. See, connect the 2 and 4. Connect the 2, 4. There is a help. There is a clue for us. There is a result for us after that data. What is 4? Can I multiply the brackets? Alpha beta plus alpha delta plus beta delta plus delta square is R over P. Okay, is R over P. So I say only 4. I took the fourth one. Take the fourth one and rearranging now. Rearranging, multiple the fourth one. There are 4 important equations you can offer from there. You can derive there, right? Alpha into beta, alpha into delta, beta and delta, delta square, right? Again, see alpha, beta. Take the delta out, take the delta out. What is that? Alpha plus beta plus delta square equal R over P. Okay, equal R over P. Now next again write that known answer. What is alpha beta? C over A. What is alpha beta? C over A. Okay, C over A plus delta. What is alpha plus beta? Minus 2b over A. Therefore minus, right? 2b over A plus delta square equal R over P. Can I say this is A? Make a A here, Dana. A. This is B. This is B. So in the answer there is no delta. In the answer there is no delta. Therefore once you eliminate the delta, I think you can go to the answer. If you put delta for that expression, you can get the answer. But they provided b square minus ac over a square and that case, right? So try to eliminate that what you call delta. So here you know the delta. Put here. Put this delta. This delta answer apply here. Or if you square it here, if you square this equation, delta square here, delta square, you can come to that also. So many ideas. Okay, I take the A, comma B, connect. I connect the A and B. I connect the A and B. C over A minus 2B over A into delta. What is delta? B over A minus Q over P. Okay, plus delta square. What is delta and its square? B over A minus Q over P, its square, equal R over P. That's all. The answer available here. You can get the answer. If you solve properly, you have the solution here. So first equation, ax square plus 2bx plus c, roots are alpha and beta. then alpha plus beta minus B over A, alpha beta C over A. Same other equation roots are alpha plus delta and the beta plus delta. Then write the summation B over A minus 2 Q over P, the same as the product of the roots C over A R over P. Then connect the 1, 3, you can find the delta value B over A minus Q over P. Okay, then think a simple method to derive this answer. The problem here, this is there, you can see this P, P, B, C there, P, B, P something. So we can rearrange that. The problem if the roots of the equation are given, then show that only, show that. Okay, see if I rearrange C over A, take that one here, R over P, and take other one, I can take the out something B over A minus Q over P if I take out. Take that side, I took R over P here, right? And take this to other side and take the B over A that out. But the remaining here 2B over A, 2B over A minus, see clearly see that, B over A plus Q over P is it? How the plus? So what happened here, I took the R over P this side and this everything that side, or no matter you can take from here also, no problem. I took, this is common factor, take common factor. So minus that side plus that side minus. So minus B over A minus plus. Okay, therefore C over A minus R over P equal B over A minus Q over P. What is inside? Simplify. 2B minus B, 1B, 1B over A plus Q over P. Very useful question, don't miss this. Once again, try this on, once again, properly try on. Practice the speed and less timing. Now see everywhere LCM is AP. LCM is AP, LCM is AP. Therefore better you can cut by that everywhere if you multiple by multiples to complete and go to that part. If you miss, you can't go to the answer. If any problem, tell. If somewhere if I misuse, some mistakes happen, then it's very difficult to search. Very difficult to go beyond the error. So be careful, every step is important. So online session, not the classroom session. Then you can ask, I can ask for everybody here. So see here, AP, LCM is AP. So what is that? PC minus AR. Simplify with the LCM. And the other side, here LCM is AP, LCM is AP, and simplify the bracket PB, PB minus AQ, other bracket LCM is AP, LCM is AP, BP plus AQ, okay. Now you can cut one AP, ne? Cut one AP, cut one AP, cut one AP. So here PC minus AR equal PB. Yes, think a simple method. See this. What is PB minus AQ? BP plus AQ. BP plus your O-level mathematics. X square minus 25. Factorize. X minus 5, X plus 5. A square minus 9. A minus 3, A plus 3, right? So like that make a factorize puluwan. BP or that BP square minus AQ square over AP. Okay, now cross multiple this, cross multiple A C P square A square PR, other one B square P square minus A square Q square. Now decide the method using the answer. B square AC one side, Q square PR other side. Check will you? B square one side with the AC, Q square other side with the PR. So rearrange. Long problem, right? Longest question, important. Expecting question in any exams. So nothing more, all are simplification. Only thing alpha plus beta, alpha into beta. Using that, we use many steps here. Some subject formula type. So see, according to the answer, I will rearrange. ACP square take minus B square P square. I took this other side, right? And here what? A square PR minus A square QR Q square. That's all. So I told so many steps I took. If you can quickly get that, you can minimize the steps. I shown cover of all of you I'm covering by showing step by step. If you're very clear, you can minimize some steps, right? Okay, therefore what happens, see, take the P square, divide there, take the A square, divide here. Therefore AC minus B square divide by A square equal PR minus Q square divide by P square. Take the P square common, divide that side. Take the A square common, divide this side. See, it's the answer. B square minus AC over A square. So change up. Now you can change now. Take a minus out, change here both side. Minus cancel, that's the answer. So very step by step I show this. So take a note, very important. So you have to improve your simplification knowledge. Then definitely the answer available. Otherwise you can't get that answer. Next question 42. My tude problem 42. Question 42, 42. The roots of the equation x square plus 2ax plus b square equal to 0 alpha 1 and beta 1. Okay. The roots of the equation x square plus 2cx plus d square, here the roots are alpha 2, beta 2. And the important question, I'll write this. So two quadratic equations are provided and their respective roots also given there, right? That equation roots are alpha 1, beta 1. Other equation roots are alpha 2, beta 2, right? Then there's first question, prove that I write here, if alpha 1 plus alpha 2 equal beta 1 plus beta 2, show that a square plus d square equal b square plus c square. Let's complete that one. Very important question. Here this is roots alpha 1 beta 1. Here roots alpha 2 beta 2. Then first part, if alpha 1 plus alpha 2 equal beta 1 plus beta 2, show this answer. Okay. Anyhow, very first you need the summation. Alpha 1 plus beta 1 answer minus b over a. Alpha 1 beta 1 answer c over a. That is for every QV, quadratic equation. That's important. Sum of the roots and the product of the roots, right? Come here the same. Alpha 2 plus beta 2 equal to what? Minus b over a. And alpha 2 beta 2 equals c over a, right? Summation and the product for the respective equations. Okay, it's a very useful problem. Now they ask, there's a data given, show that answer, right? The method alpha 1, you need the beta 1, not the alpha 2, ne? Alpha beta 1, other one alpha 2 beta 2, other one. But here what happened, all the alpha separately, beta separate. There's no possible for the alpha 1 alpha 2 possibilities, no chance. Therefore we rearrange. See the method, if alpha 1 plus alpha 2 equal beta 1 plus beta 2. So remember this, we need what? Alpha beta one side. Then only we have answer. Then only we have the summation of the product. Therefore take the beta 1 side, take the alpha 2 other side, right? So alpha 1 minus beta 1 equal beta 2 minus alpha 2. So what the idea here, we have to apply these values. We have to apply the sum of the roots and the product of the roots. There's no standard form to the different of the roots. So very first day, first lesson, we found one of the answer how to find alpha minus beta. So there's no standard thing, but you have to find this value using this. So what the idea hereafter, when this becomes alpha 1 beta 1, when it becomes alpha beta values, square both sides. Square, remember that point, very important. Square both sides, square both sides, square both sides. Square both sides. Square it. alpha 1 square minus 2 alpha 1 beta 1 plus beta 1 square. From the other side, beta 2 square minus 2 alpha 2 beta 2 plus alpha 2 square. Okay, now you know a famous method to find the values of alpha plus beta. Take the first and the last. Alpha 1 plus beta 1 complete square minus 4 alpha 1 beta 1. Okay, the other side, alpha 2 plus beta 2 all things square, then subtract 4 times, ne? 4 alpha 2 beta 2, right? But the additional term you have to subtract. Now write the values, then you can have the answer. You have the first part answer. Alpha 1 plus beta 1 minus 2a square root 4 times alpha 1 beta 1 b square. Here alpha 2 plus beta 2 minus 2c square. Here what? 4 times d square. Now everywhere divide by 4, cut by 4. Then you have the answer a square minus b square equal c square minus d square. Or take rearrange a and d one side, b and c other side. This is the first part of that. See next part of this. Another condition available if what is that, alpha 1 alpha 2 plus beta 1 beta 2, then show that b square d square equal a square d square plus b square c square. Ne? Another important similar fashion. It's a good question, right? That means it's a nice experience for you when you join with me my lessons. So I'm showing very tough questions, difficult problem. The students feels these are very tough in the exam. But once you learn hereafter simple, first time studying, first time reading, something confused. Okay. Second occasion, alpha 1, alpha 2. You can't do like that because alpha with the beta. Alpha 1 and the beta 1. Or alpha 2 and the beta 2. We can't use that. Therefore, you rearrange. Rearrange. So I'll raise this. See that method. If alpha 1 alpha 2 plus beta 1 alpha 1 plus alpha 2 is equal to 0, no? Equal to 0. Equal to 0. Equal to 0. Beta 1 beta 2 equal to 0. So see the idea. You need alpha 1 beta 1. You need alpha 2 beta 2, not the separate. Okay, see the method. Therefore, alpha 1 alpha 2, take this other side. Study this simplification. If you came to maths class, that means combine you choice to learn mathematics, be an engineer or any professional, IT or whatever. Or some they are taking the they avoid the chemistry, they take the physics and the maths IT with anyhow. Okay, it's the pattern. Now see, with the alpha 1 we need the beta 1. Therefore take the beta 1 below, take the alpha 2 there. Divide. Alpha 1 beta 1, other side minus beta 2 alpha 2. Okay, study these simplified methods. Next, add 1 both side. දෙපැත්ත එකක් එකතු කරමු. Then alpha 1 over beta 1 add 1. Here also minus beta 2 over alpha 2 add 1. Okay, both side add 1. Now simplify this. Alpha 1 plus beta 1 over beta 1. Okay, other side, what is that? Can I say alpha first? Alpha 2 minus beta 2 over alpha 2, right? I say number 1. First equation. Then no doubt you have answer. You can write what is alpha 1 plus beta 1. Also you know this, no problem. They buy and don't, no fear. Alpha 2 minus beta 2, we have answer, we have method, right? Okay. Add 1. Next, subtract. See, only beta 1 below. Only a single term we don't know. Product we know, addition you know. Single term no. Again write this. Next try subtract 1. Next try subtract 1. By writing that, subtract 1. Alpha 1 over beta 1 subtract 1. This one, right? From here I am showing once again. Minus beta 2 over alpha 2 subtract 1. Okay. Then what happened? Alpha 1 minus beta 1 over beta 1 equal to what? Can I take the minus out? Alpha 2 plus beta 2 over beta 2. So after O levels, before start the A level mathematics, there's a lesson called basic mathematics, some 1 or 2 months. So I hope you learned something, dividend do, multiple do, dividend do rules. That's I'm showing here. So this beta 1 is a problem for us. Using the single term, there's no chance. Using the single term, there's no chance for that, no beta 1, alpha 1. Therefore, I want to remove those things, alpha, beta below. Now, therefore, divide. Divide 1 by 2. Divide 1 by 2. 1 divide by 2. 1 divide by 2. Here, alpha 1 plus beta 1. Below, alpha 1 minus beta 1. Other side, divide 1 by 2. Alpha 2 minus beta 2. It's a very important question, big problem, exam question, nearly 100 marks wage ප්‍රශ්න මේවා. ලස්සනට තියාගන්න හදලා. Okay, now simple. See how I start the question now කොහොමද ගෙවිලා තියෙන්නේ. Now alpha 1 plus beta 1 is okay. Here also okay, but these are problem. Therefore you can take answer is there given, okay. Answer provided, okay. Rearrange now, I erase this. With me, you have to work with me. You have to copy this. Now cross multiple everywhere. Alpha 1 plus beta 1. Alpha 2 plus beta 2. Okay. The other side, what is that? There's a minus, no problem. Okay, minus. Alpha 1 minus beta 1 and what is that? Alpha 2 minus beta 2, right? Next, square both sides, right? You know these answers later, finally substitute. alpha 1 plus beta 1 square. There also alpha 2 plus beta 2 square. So minus square is positive. Then alpha 1 minus beta 1 square. Alpha 2 minus beta 2 square. You know alpha 1 plus beta 1 square is 4a square. You know alpha 2 plus beta 2 square is 4c square. Here what? Now you are familiar. Now third chapter, third session today. You are familiar. Can I write this one? If you explain what happened. Alpha 1 square minus 2 alpha 1 beta 1 plus beta 1 square. There's a problem. Can I write that? Alpha 1 plus beta 1 all things square minus 4 alpha 1 beta 1. Okay. Same come here. Alpha 2 minus plus beta 2 square. What is that? Minus 4 alpha 2 beta 2. I hope you understood that one. 16a square c square. Alpha 1 plus beta 1 square is 4a square minus 4 times b square. It's a very interesting question, very useful problem. Alpha to beta square 4c square. Substitute is all 4d square. Ne? Here take the 4 out. Here take the 4 out. 4 and 4 16 cancel with this 16. A square c square equal a square minus b square. Here what? C square minus d square. Now with the answer decide the method. If you multiply the brackets, if you multiply this bracket, a square c square equal, multiply this, a square c square minus a square d square, a square d square, okay, minus b square c square plus b square d square, right? Then c is cancelled. Is cancelled. Rearrange, you have the answer. You have the answer. So very important question. Comes b square d square equal to a square d square plus b square c square, right? Is that a useful question?